Is your Tesla Model 3 boot trunk stuck? Don't panic. The most common reasons include a faulty trunk latch mechanism, software glitches, a weak 12 volts battery, or extreme weather like freezing temperatures. A faulty trunk latch mechanism is often the culprit, caused by sensor misalignment or debris buildup. Software glitches, especially after over-the-air updates, can cause the boot to malfunction. A weak 12-volt battery can lead to power issues that prevent the boot from opening. Extreme weather, like freezing temperatures, can cause the latch to freeze and malfunction. Start by checking the basics. Is your key fob battery working? A low or dead battery is a common cause of trunk opening issues. Have you tried using the touchscreen boot release? Access the controls menu on your Tesla's touchscreen and select the trunk open option. Next, inspect the trunk latch area for any visible obstructions or debris. Check around the latch mechanism for dirt, ice, or foreign objects. Use the Tesla app or service menu to check for error codes like trunk actuator fault or latch sensor mismatch. These can help identify the specific issue. Note any recent software updates that may have preceded the issue. Over-the-air updates can sometimes cause temporary glitches. Every Tesla Model 3 has an emergency trunk release inside the boot. This is a critical safety feature designed to work even when the power system fails. To access it, locate the small hatch in the trunk lining. This hatch covers the release mechanism. Once the hatch is open, you'll find a cable or lever inside. This is the manual override mechanism. Pulling the cable or lever manually overrides the electronic system, allowing you to open the trunk from the inside even if the power fails. Familiarize yourself with the location of this emergency release. It's crucial for safety if the power system fails, ensuring you can always access your trunk. Tesla frequently addresses boot issues with over-the-air software updates. These updates can fix glitches affecting the trunk mechanism without needing a service visit. Make sure your car is running the latest software version. You can check this in the software settings on your touchscreen, where you'll see the current version and any available updates. If the boot problem started after a software update, try performing a soft reset. This can resolve minor software glitches affecting the trunk system. To perform the soft reset, hold down both steering wheel buttons simultaneously until the touchscreen goes black and restarts. This usually takes about 10 to 15 seconds. This simple reset can often resolve minor software glitches affecting the trunk mechanism, restoring normal operation quickly and easily. Before proceeding with any DIY fixes, remember that performing these actions can void your warranty if not done properly. Always consult your Tesla warranty information before attempting any modifications. Advanced users can attempt to reset the trunk control module using a PC tool like Tesla Scope. This diagnostic software allows you to connect to your Tesla and access service menus that are normally reserved for technicians. First, connect your computer running Tesla Scope to your Tesla. This usually involves a USB cable connected to the vehicle's diagnostic port under the driver's side dashboard. Once connected, navigate to the service menu within Tesla Scope. Look for sections related to the body control modules or specifically the trunk system. In the service menu, locate and select the reset option for the trunk control module. Confirm the reset and allow the system to recalibrate. This process can help resolve issues with the latch sensors or actuator without needing a service visit. Finally, remember that attempting these fixes may void your warranty if not done correctly. If the problem continues, it's best to contact Tesla Service for professional assistance. If software fixes and resets haven't resolved your Model 3 boot issue, it's likely a hardware problem requiring professional attention. Contact Tesla Service to schedule an appointment for diagnosis and repair. A recall campaign from mid-2025 affects many Model 3 vehicles built between 2018 and 2024. This requires physical inspection at a Tesla service center and replacement of faulty trunk latch modules to ensure proper operation. To determine if your vehicle is part of this recall, check using the Tesla mobile app, visit the Tesla website, or enter your vehicle identification number for verification. If you're uncertain, contact Tesla Service directly for confirmation. If you hear unusual noises from the actuator when attempting to open the boot, such as grinding, clicking, or motor straining sounds, this strongly indicates a hardware issue requiring service attention. To prevent future issues, regularly clean the trunk latch area to remove debris. Ensure your 12-volt battery is healthy. In cold climates, Tesla offers a winter mode software tweak to preheat actuators. If you live in snowy regions, contact Tesla to enable it. Elon Musk stated in a 2025 earnings call that trunk reliability has improved 50% year over year due to software refinements. So keeping up with software updates will ensure smooth operation.